Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss display the twin prime numbers. We can give the 100 number. In 100, 1 to 100, how many twin prime numbers is there? We need to display. We can discuss twin prime numbers program in range. If you need twin prime number definition, my previous videos is available. The twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers means not. I will explain again. Twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers means twin prime numbers are separately pair of prime numbers that are separated by a single composite number, a number with more than two factors. This means that difference is always two. See, twin prime numbers is a pair of prime numbers. That means that how to identify the twin prime numbers in between two prime numbers, one composite number is there. One composite number means more than two factors is available. That is a composite number. This means the difference between is two, always two. This is a twin prime number. Today we can explain that one. Previously, I program is the twin prime numbers. We can enter any number. That number is prime or not. Check. We can enter two numbers. The two numbers are prime or not. Check. Then it will take the pairing also. The two numbers is pairing numbers or not. That program is available in existing videos in your channel. Could you please take and learn? Now today we can take range of the prime numbers. First you can create the class range twin prime number prime range twin prime. First I will write one method. Uh, I will write main method. Then I will write one more method. Uh, I will write uh, boolean is prime. Need to check number is a prime or not. Need to check. That's why I am returning is prime. See here, private means we need to access in this class only. That's why I'm returning prime. Static means we can no need to create any object. Without creating object, we can read that this object. That means this method. We need to access this method. That purpose we are returning. Boolean means return value. We need to return true or false only. That's why I'm returning like this. Is prime is a method name me. This is a passing values. Which parameter passing? I am passing integer parameters. That's why I am returning int of here. Now I will check if first if n less than equal to 1. Then it will return true. Sorry, it will return false. That means any number below 1 means it will return the false value. Then I will write for condition int I is equal to 2. That means value will start with second value. I into I. I into I less than equal to n. I plus plus. I plus plus. I will write if condition. Here I will write it n modulo of I is equal to 0. Then it will return false. It will return false. Then here return true. Now here I will write scanner for reading the data from console. That's why I'm writing scanner. System dot in. That means you can read the input value. That's why we are returning int value. Now I will write sysout. Will remove ln. This will come. Enter the first. Enter the value. Enter the value. You need to write only. You need to display the one value. That's why you can write here. Limit. How much limit you need? Sc dot next int. It will take only integer values. I will write for loop here. Int I is equal to 2, starting with 2, I less than equal to limit minus 2, I plus plus. I'm returning like this. Now I will check the condition. If is prime I and is prime I plus 2, I plus 2 will display the value here, sys out. Display the value here. First I will open bracket, then I will do I plus double quotation comma plus I need to write inside the bracket I plus 2 plus double quotations column. Now we can check this one. What is the output of this one? You can check. Right click, run as. I will give 100. See, we can check here. 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43. These all are prime numbers. This is in between. This one. Suppose I will remove minus 2. What happened? You can check. I will remove minus 2. What happened? You can check. You 100. Same thing. Not, both is same, but that is getting 98. One is returning, removing two values. That is getting. This way, we can write the range of the prime numbers. Range of the prime numbers. In see here, we can write like this also. I less than equal to n by 2 also. And but we can check this one. What happened? What is output of this one? We can check this. We write 100. See, this is also working. This is also working. That's why, see here, you can write different way. Actually, my previous, the previous video you can check. I'm returning I into I is equal I into I less than equal to n. This is written here. Here I will change I less than equal to n by 2. But programmers will returning different way, different approaches is there. But which approach we need, we can decide and we can take that approach only. But everything is a very good programming. You can learn everything. Everything you can learn, but based on the decision, based on the approach, we can follow the approach. Normally, I will tell one real-time example. Mobiles, which one person taking Oppo mobile, one person taking iPhone, one person taking Realme mobile, one person taking Motorola mobile. That means based on the person, based on the mindset, mobiles is taking like that. But all are same, all are mobiles. But here also different ways is there, implementing the application, implementing, developing the programs, but based on the person ideas, based on the person approach, implementing is there. This is the range of the uh, twin prime numbers. Uh, if you need more information about Java and Python related and web applications, web development, Android applications, if you need more any information about related this topic, could you please comment at below commented box. And my WhatsApp number is available in my abbreviation videos. You can check and you can find out my mobile number, WhatsApp mobile number. You can contact through mobile also. You can contact through mail also. I will help you. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.